Oconto County until 4:45 p.m. At 4:18 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located 8 miles southeast of Pound, or 18 miles southwest of Marinette, and moving east at 40 miles an hour. This dangerous storm will be near Marinette around 4:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by this dangerous storm include Harmony and Peshtigo. This tornado warning replaces the severe thunderstorm warning that was in effect for the same area. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: